welcome to our channel to Scientist Buddies. So in this video guys, we are going to do some science experiments. If you saw our last video, we unboxed the science kit which we got from Amazon, and today we are going to check it out and do some experiments. So the first experiment is
it's very simple guys. It's the evolution of hydrogen gas, and we are going to test the hydrogen gas, whether it is or not, and it is impure or pure hydrogen gas. So let's start.
A few moments later.
So guys, now we have set up all the things that we want, and now let's start with the experiment. So first
take the zinc granules and put it inside the test tube.
Take a test tube and put some zinc granules. Okay. Yeah, and put it inside the test tube. Okay, we are going to put some more because we need. So we are putting more, and we have enough zinc. We have enough zinc granules in here now.
Now we will take some hydrochloric acid, dilute, not concentrated.
So you need only dilute hydrochloric acid, and put few drops in this test tube. And
now from the dropper we'll put few drops in the test tube. It start reacting. I'll just show you guys. See, it's the test tube here. Take another test tube, man. So now we will put the test tube so that the hydrogen gas is collected in this test tube. We will keep it on this so that hydrogen gas
collected
will be collected in this test tube. This is test tube 2 and this is test tube 1.
And we even also have corks to store like this. And now we are putting
I'll show you the reaction. See, so you can see coefficients of hydrogen gas rising up. Yeah, please store. Please.
Oh yeah, we need to store it fast. Okay, now the
hydrogen gas will be collected in this test tube. We'll wait for some time, and now after that we will take some matches and
So guys, now the hydrogen gas is successfully collected. Now
I hope so. Most of the gas is collected. Now we will take the blue litmus paper. So we'll take the blue litmus paper, and you'll see no change. If there is no change, then it is a hydrogen gas.
Now
it's a neutral gas.
We'll take this off. Put it inside.
So guys, there is no changes occurred. We saw that. So now nothing is. So now for another test time. Now we will light the match and keep it near the test tube, mouth of the test tube. The match will extinguish. Okay. So we'll see.
Now we need to
remove it.
Now we need to take this textbook and hold it like this with our thumb finger. We need to close the top with our thumb finger so the hydrogen gas does not go out. And now
we'll collect it.
Okay. Now 3, 2, 1. You light. Okay.
See guys, you saw the pop sound. I guess he did not put it in a wrong. He did in a wrong way. I guess he was unable to collect. So in this, it is now also it is collecting. So we will show you once again.
So the pop sound you listen.
Oh, I guess something is going wrong.
So guys, as you can see, the pop sound.
Now you heard the pop sound. So you maybe heard the pop sound. Now also some little amount of hydrogen gas has been
as you can see
collected. So you can.
The gas is rising, as you can see over here.
So it is in a very little amount, so the pop we are unable to hear the pop sound, or the match isn't getting extinguished because of the very little amount of hydrogen. So guys, this was the experiment. Now he has put the cork. Yeah, now I guess
it will some hydrogen gas
will collected. At the end we'll test it again once. So
So
this was the experiment, guys. So it is very simple, just to prove that how we can collect hydrogen gas by adding zinc granules to dilute hydrochloric acid, and this is an experiment, and it's very simple. Oh,
as
see,
you can see, it popped again and the cork fell off.
because the pressure is more inside, as the gas
Is evaluating, so the pressure is
and
more.
I can feel the pressure on my thumb. Now I guess if you light it, it will pop again.
Because I think enough hydrogen was collected.
Yeah.
Now I'll light it. As you
See.
can see, guys, the pop sound came again. Now I'll try again. I guess that's over.
Again, hydrogen is it's producing in very little amount. As the time increases, it will be it produces little amount. So now so we heard that pop sound. So that was the experiment, guys. So sorry for the delay, guys. From next week from next week we'll upload it on time every Sunday, and
We'll do experiments.
Yeah.
More and more experiments.
more and more experiments, and we'll
So this was only one experiment. So guys, this was only one experiment. We'll do lots and lots of more experiments like this.
and very best experiments, and I'll try to make whatever I have. And thank you guys for supporting us. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
And thanks for watching.
Watching.
We'll meet you guys in another video. Bye.
Bye.